Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This time we will discuss a very nice geometry problem without using trigonometry. So in this problem we are given a triangle ABC which is right angled at B. AD and CD are angle bisectors of angle BAC and angle BCA. ED is perpendicular to AD and EF is perpendicular to BC. We are given that the length of AB as 6 units and BC as 8 units. AB 6 units and BC 8 units. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC will be 8 units. We have to find the length of this red segment DF. AD and DC are angle bisectors of angle BAC and angle BCA respectively. So this point is point of intersection of angle bisectors, which is equidistant from all the three sides of the triangle. So this point, from this point, if we draw perpendicular to the sides, so from this point we can draw a circle. This is in radius, all will be equal. We have to find the length of this in radius. Relation between in radius triangle and semi-perimeter. R is equal to area of the triangle by semi-perimeter of the triangle. Area is equal to half into base 6 into height. So this is what 24 square units. Semi-perimeter is equal to sum of the sides by 2. So half into 6 plus 8 plus 10. So R is equal to 24 by 12, which is 2. We can find without using this formula. We can use the area of this triangle will be sum of the area of the triangle ADC plus triangle BDC, the area of the triangle BDA. So that is half into 6 into 8 is equal to half into area of triangle ADC, which is base is 10 into radius, in radius this is height, plus half into this triangle's area base 6 into height R, plus half into this triangle 8 into R. So half and half will get cancelled from both the sides. 48 is equal to 10R plus 6R plus 8R, that is equal to 24R. Therefore R is equal to, after getting this 2, this is 2, and we have to find this DF. So if we extend this length, let us suppose this point is G. If we extend it, extending this, let us suppose this is H. HG is parallel to AB because this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, 180. Co-interior angles sum 180. So therefore these two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, suppose this whole angle is 2x. So this will be x, this will be x. So this will also be 2x because the corresponding angles are equal. And by using exterior angle property, if this is 2x and this is x, so this will also be x. It means AHD is an isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. Now in triangle ADE, since the angle is 90 degree, so if this is x, 90 minus x, because this is 90, this is x, so to get this, subtract x from 90. And the whole thing is 90, this is x, so this will be 90 minus x. Since the angles are 90 minus x, 90 minus x, So this is an isosceles triangle, means this is equal to this. All these AH, HD and HE are equal. We can say that the midpoint of hypotenuse will be equidistant from all the three vertices of a right angle triangle. So this is equal to this is equal to this. This is 90, this is 90, this is 90. So these three lines are parallel. So by using equal intercept theorem, we can say that BG by GF is equal to AH by HE. AH and HE are equal since H is the midpoint of AE. We proved it. And this is 90, this is 90. We have drawn perpendiculars. These are equal. So this will be a square. So this is also 2 and this is 2. So BG is 2. 2 by GF, which is to be found, is equal to, these two are equal, so 1. So therefore GF is equal to 2. So this is also 2. Now consider this triangle DGF. DG is equal to 2, GF is equal to 2, and this is right angle. This triangle is right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem, this length, the required DF, will be, so DF square is equal to DG square plus GF square, which is 4 plus 4, 2 square plus 2 square, which is 8. So therefore DF is equal to root 8, and hence we can say that DF is equal to 2 root 2 units, and this is the answer. Length of DF is equal to 2 root 2 units.